everyone, my name is Natasha and today I'll show you how to make easy buckwheat pancakes. These buckwheat pancakes are very healthy, are vegan and are gluten free as well. So let's get started. So this was my recipe of the gluten-free buckwheat pancakes. These pancakes are delicious, are vegan, are healthy and are very nutritious as well. I'm going to link in the description below some of the benefits of buckwheat. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe if you are new to my channel. I'm posting every Tuesday and every Friday a new, interesting, healthy and simple recipe. Thank you very much and see you next time.